Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mycelium from spores. First, gather your sterile supplies, including a pressure cooker, grain, and a spore syringe. Sterilization is crucial to prevent contamination, so ensure your workspace is clean. We'll cover preparing your substrate and creating a viable spore solution. This foundational knowledge will set you up for a successful mycelium cultivation journey. Working with spores requires strict sterile technique to avoid unwanted contaminants. Set up a still air box or use a laminar flow hood to create a clean workspace. Carefully sterilize your syringe needle using an alcohol lamp or torch, allowing it to cool. Then, gently scrape your collected spores into sterile distilled water, drawing the solution into the syringe. This ensures a clean inoculum for your substrate. Now it's time for inoculation. In your sterile environment, inject the spore solution into your prepared and sterilized grain substrate. Aim for even distribution to encourage faster colonization. Once inoculated, seal the container tightly to prevent airborne contaminants from entering. Place your substrate in a dark, warm environment, ideally between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, for the mycelium to begin colonizing. Patience is key during this incubation phase. Over the next few weeks, you should observe white, thread-like mycelium growing and colonizing your substrate. This indicates successful germination and growth. Keep an eye out for any discoloration like green, black, or pink patches, which are common signs of contamination and mean you might need to start over. Healthy mycelium is typically bright white and vigorous. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers and other great deals. Continue to monitor your mycelium until it fully colonizes the substrate, preparing it for the next stage of mushroom cultivation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.